Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize client relationships with Century 21 beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your specific client demographics. Gather market research on your target audience's needs and preferences. Utilize Century 21's resources for understanding client behavior. Develop a personalized communication strategy tailored to each client group. Establish a regular follow-up schedule for maintaining client connections. Utilize technology and CRM tools available through Century 21 for client management. Keep detailed notes on client interactions to personalize future conversations. Create a welcoming atmosphere during meetings, whether virtual or in person. Listen actively to clients to understand their concerns and aspirations. Offer valuable insights and resources relevant to their real estate journey. Be transparent about processes, timelines, and potential challenges. Set clear expectations to build trust and transparency. Celebrate milestones in the client's real estate journey, such as successful closings. Encourage client feedback to improve your services and relationships. Provide consistent updates on market trends and property values. Continue to educate yourself through Century 21 training and resources. Foster a sense of community by inviting clients to local events or workshops. Maintain a positive and professional demeanor at all times. Stay connected through newsletters or email campaigns featuring helpful information. Utilize social media to showcase your expertise and engage clients informally. Regularly reassess your strategies to ensure they align with changing client needs. By prioritizing these steps, you can significantly enhance your client relationships with Century 21. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.